This is my Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Before I bought it, I spent countless hours, and I mean weeks, researching every mirrorless body in this price range. From Sony, Nikon, Canon, Fuji, everything. I bought this one because of three main selling points. Pre-capture, which I never use because the implementation absolutely sucks. Second, 40 frames per second in electronic shutter. So, fuck yeah, brilliant. I'll have that. Never use it because it has terrible rolling shutter. Like everything is wonky. Last one, weather sealing actually comes in handy. I often caught out in the rain, I'm on a beach, in sand, weather sealing, great. Does any of that matter? Reality is, I almost never need any of those features. And I don't miss them because I don't use them, I don't have them. Very occasionally, like once a year, I might be in a situation where I think, oh, I wish I had 40 frames per second. It really doesn't matter. So going back, would I buy this camera again? Would I buy something else? Doesn't really matter. I probably would buy a Sony because Canon lenses are just too bloody expensive. I don't want to use the adapter and make everything bigger. So if I didn't lose a shitload of money on it, I would probably sell all my Canon gear and go Sony, and I would still take the same photos and it would make no difference. So let that be lesson learned. This is day 17 of talking to the camera. See you tomorrow, day 18.